Welcome to a quick look at WPA Mobile's service management solution. Today we'll take a look at planning an order, sending it into the field, letting the field technician register hours and materials, and sending it back home. Let's take a look. Currently we are in the planning solution. From here I have my overview of my resources. They are separated into different areas. In this instance I have Denmark and Poland. And I'm also represented, I'm here, and currently I don't have any working orders. These color bars are the different service orders. Each color represents the current status of the order. So, for example, Henrik has an order that is currently activated, and Pierre in this instance has an order that is currently in progress. If I want to create a new order, it's quite easy. I'll just choose the time I want to create it on. Let's say at 12 o'clock, and it will be me. Let's just right click right there and choose create order. From here I can search specifically on a service object, I can search on the site information, or I can search on the customer's billing information. In this example I'll just search for WPA Mobile. Let's choose WPA, and in this installation we have two. We have an internal and we have customer itself. Let's just choose that. So now we've chosen WPA Mobile, and on this site we got two service units. We got a coffee machine and a vending machine. Let's choose the coffee machine. So now we've got the coffee machine in there and the site and debitor. Then I can choose which type of service order this is. Let's say it's a problem call and coffee machine is broken. And maybe I also want to tell the technician that he should call on arrival, so I'll just tell him down here, call on arrival. Something like this. Well, it's a coffee machine, so let's make this service order urgent. Click there and create. So now in the plan we have an order. From here I can just grab this order by clicking on it, and I can place it where I want. So let's say, well, I think it's going to be from 13 till 16. And if I'm happy with that choice, I'll just right click it and say activate it. That will now make this order visible for the field technician. So with that, we're actually done planning. So let's switch into the field and look at how the field technician works on this order. So here we are in the client for the field technician. From here, he has an overview of all his current work. And let's go straight into his order section. Currently, he's not working on any orders, so let's check the order pool for new orders. And straight away, we can see the problem call we just created. If I click it, yes, the coffee machine is broken. And I can see the current machine, the site, and the debitor for this current service order. Let's accept this order just by clicking on it and choose accept. So now it's on my machine, I can start working on it. Let's open this service order up. I'm now currently active on this service order, and let's tell the office that I'm actually in progress with this order. So I'll change the status from accepted to in progress. Like that. So now we're actually in progress. Let's register some time and material. That's in here under order lines. So if I know my items and my product numbers, I can just type them in straight away. I also have the ability to scan them in with a built-in scanner, or I can use the built-in search facility. I'll show that straight away. I'll add lines. From here I can search anything, but I also have, as you can see here, already a list. These are my favorite items, so I can choose them quite quickly. Let's see, this is what I want. Administrative hours, I'll take 2 of those, and standard service hours, just 1. And maybe I also want this home plug 2. Save and close. And now we've added the hours and the materials I wanted to the service order very quickly. Last thing I want to show is the quality assurance module. It's the last tab. And in here I have the quality assurance that is available for me. I'll just take this one as an example. And in here I have all the examples. This example will just check off some random numbers. Doesn't really matter in this example. Just say it's a test. And now I'm done with my quality assurance. I also am done with my items and materials registration. So I'm actually done to send this order back home. It's quite easy. I just select finish. And before I can send this order back home, I have to confirm that the original description actually corresponds to what I've been doing today. So coffee machine is broken. Yeah, I fixed coffee machine like that. And I'm going to send that home. Let's just click finish. And now it sends back the order, my work material, and the quality assurance back to the plan. That's it. And if we took a look now back in the plan, so currently we have this order. Just update the plan. You can see now it's changed. It was planned to take the whole afternoon, but I was quite fast in this example. So now it's a very short order. Let's just zoom in so we can actually view it like that. And yes, I fixed the coffee machine, and I'm also able to see on the order specifically what I wrote and what items were used. So that was a quick look at WPA Mobile's service management system. Thank you.